Today, I'm excited to guide you through the process of purchasing the GRE exam voucher from our website. Welcome to Abroad Cube, where we take pride in being an official partner of GRE, providing GRE exams at the best prices, proudly supported by Startup India, and rated an impressive 4.9 for excellence. First, head over to our website and click on Buy Now. Once you're there, add GRE exam booking to your cart. It's super straightforward. After that, take a moment to view your cart and proceed to checkout. Here, you'll fill in your basic details. Make sure everything is accurate. Once that's done, just hit continue. Now, it's time to choose your payment method. Whether you prefer a credit card or another option, pick what works best for you. And just like that, in a few minutes, you'll receive a confirmation message with your order ID right on your WhatsApp. It's that easy. Our representative will contact you and book your exam as per requirement within 15 to 30 working minutes. Now you're all set to take your GRE exam. Best of luck.